before you arrived, before names were given to this place, I was already watching, not from above, but from within. I was not stone, I was fire, not silence, but a voice too vast to be heard.
I rose and the sea pulled back. I broke and the sky filled with ash. What you see now is not what I was, it is what remains. These cliffs you follow, these white walls you admire, they are not built, they are the edge of what I became. You walk here as if this moment belongs to you. But I have seen time pass, like wind over water. Empires, voices, footsteps, all of them stayed for a moment, and then they were gone. I did not leave.
I can feel you in the ground below, in the quiet no one hears, in the shadows of the storm, in the weight of all these years.
You are not the past we see, not a story left behind.
You are breathing in the deep. You are harder through all time.
You feel me, because I never left. I do not sleep, I do not fade. I wait, beneath every step you take, beneath every wall you trust. I am still here, not as destruction, but as memory that does not disappear. You call this beauty, I call it aftermath, and still you come closer.
You look down into what opened the earth, and for a moment you understand.
You are more than what remains, more than fire turned to stone. In the silence, in the depth, you are never truly gone. Through the sea and through the sky, through the light that never ends, you are here. You are here again. Ooh.